Curapod has no side effects when used as indicated. It's a non-invasive drug-free approach that doesn't use heat or electrical stimulation. The device uses a skin-friendly biological band that is designed for a comfortable and safe use. Results may vary based on the type of pain. Most people, upon consistent use for 2 to 3 times a day, experience comfort within a week to 3 weeks. Some users also experience comfort after just few sessions. Curapod is a CDSCO Class B approved medical device and is FDA registered. It's built on clinically studied photobiomodulation technology with its clinical evaluations conducted across leading healthcare hospitals in India. Curapod is designed to be simple, comfortable and easy to use every day. Uses clinical grade light therapy for effective support. Rechargeable battery for convenient cord-free use. Recommended to charge after 2 sessions, and the device doesn't heat up during sessions. Curapod is designed with skin-friendly biological band for simple and regular use. Soft Velcro ends hold the device securely without discomfort. Simple and friendly design. Just place it and start your session. Curapod comes with 1-year warranty. If you have any issues or need assistance with return, refunds or support, you can reach out to our team at support@lightmed.co.in or call 92400 Remove the pod from the outer casing. Attach the adhesive sticker on the LED side of the device. Peel off the blue protective layer and place it on the pain area. Place the pod into the outer casing. Insert the strap into the casing and run it through the front part of the device. Position the LED side of the device and secure it comfortably around the pain area. No, you do not need a doctor's prescription to use Curapod. It's a CDSCO Class B medical device for easy and at-home use. However, in case if you have any specific medical condition or concern, it's best to consult your doctor. Curapod is a CDSCO Class B medical device designed for safe, non-invasive use, and there are no specific warning signs when used as detected.